Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change kingdom in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, you should be able to unlock the feature soon once you have pretty much leveled up enough. But once you do unlock the feature, all you have to do now is to go to your profile or your general profile, which is found in the top left corner of your screen. So over here in your governor profile, just go to the bottom right corner, which should be your settings. And in your settings, you should be able to find the characters, which is found right below the general option. So characters, as you can see there, you should be able to change your kingdoms by going ahead and creating a new character. So 2 characters can be created per kingdom. Just go ahead and press that, and you should be able to see the kingdom codes over here. So just go ahead and choose which kingdom you want to switch to. Of course, your progress will differ and be different from each and every single one of them, and specifically every character. But that's pretty much how you change your kingdoms in Kingshot. So just go ahead and choose from the multitudes that are currently available. There are pretty much 645 that is open. But anyways, that's about it. So that's basically how you can change kingdom in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.